very clear from the last time that we have allowed the deputy commissioners to open up activities, economic activities as per need basis. So therefore the deputy commissioners are trying to balance out this entire aspect of the economic issues versus necessities versus healthcare. So wherever we are seeing that the requirement is there, we have allowed the deputy commissioners to give the necessary permission simply because of the fact that we need to also realize that people also are facing a lot of difficulty and challenges. It is not possible to survive by just closing everything down. So therefore, as and when we can allow in a safe manner for certain activities to take place, deputy commissioners have been. So based on that, the deputy commissioners are. If there's any specific activity you're talking about, then I think deputy commissioner will be in a better position to reply. But we have given the power to them to decide because every area, every locality, every village is facing a different condition. So therefore, applying the same rule to all does not make full sense. So we are keeping health as priority, but we are also allowing them to have activities as per the need basis, which the deputy commissioners, BDOs and SDOs feel are safe to take.